Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have an unboxing for Globleland. If you don't know about Globleland, they have many dyes, different artist tools, paper, wax stamping, stamps and die sets, die cutting machine I do believe they have, just all different types of things that help with your crafting, no matter what type of crafting you're doing. And so I ordered a few things to show here on my channel. And I will link their website in the description. I will also have a code for you to use for a discount off their already low prices, because they do have some great low prices. Okay, I got this set of dies. And this is your beach umbrella, sun, your palm tree, your little beach chairs. I do believe this is a surfboard. I'm not sure, but then this is, I think it's like a camper ice cream truck type of thing. And I think this is what this goes along with it too. And then here you have like your little cups, popsicles, ice creams, just little things to stick on here, your ice cream truck. So that'll be really cute. And then this is so cute. This is a stamp and die set. These little teddy bears with the hot air balloons. These balloons. Hello friend. Lifts me up. You make me smile. You got the little flowers and butterflies here. So cute. Then the dies to cut everything. So that's going to be so fun to play with. And then this is so cute. Look at this. I bought some cheese, little cheese cabochons to go with this project. Look at the little mouse and the cat. And this is a big slice of cheese, and they got little cheeses. And this is for their little paws. So you're going to have your head here, then you'll put their little paws up here, I think. So cute. And then I got these stamps. Like the, like the Regency era, around that era, I think. So you just got some words behind her, and then she's sewing. Isn't that pretty? Retro series. Here's a pair of scissors. Have a good day. Nostalgia. Can't really, it's very small for me to see what that says, but yeah, so cute. These will be so fun to make a card or anything with. All right, so you'll have to come back and see the projects that I make with these items, and I cannot wait to show you. Thank you all so much for coming and check out this video. Take advantage of the discount code. Everything will be linked in the description. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. Hope you're having fun. Thank you. Bye.